Hello guys, hope you all doing good. So today we are going to make a tent house. So first you have to take a hook and attach on the wall. And now you have to take a saree which one you like and hold the saree in middle and knot the saree with the help of rubber band and hang the band. And now you place the cushion or something to sit and take two edges of the saree and plug it. Arrange the saree and keep the cushion on the saree and fold the saree. And arrange the lights over on the saree. That's it. You can celebrate your birthday parties and anniversaries. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you all like it. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Stay safe, wear mask, use sanitizer and keep social distance. I will see you in another video. Bye guys.